Action.
Is it recording?
It's recording.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ruths Gifted Hands. I'm super excited that you're here. Now that I've got your attention, let's go straight to the video. Today is going to be an amazing video. You guys are not ready. Some of you may not know that I know how to do this thing that I'm about to show you, but those who know that I'm really good in the kitchen. Okay, well, you're already seen from the title, so I might as well just talk about it. In this video, I'm going to be cooking, and this is my first ever cooking video on YouTube. Today's video is going to be all about Efo Riro. What is Efo Riro? Efo Riro is a native soup from Nigeria and is customary to the Yoruba tribe. And it's basically just a vegetable soup. So I'm sure other countries probably have a variation of it, but they probably just call it something different, or they might have like a little bit of ingredients they do add or don't add. Whatever the case may be, it's an African delicacy and it's yummy, yummy, yummy. It's not only yummy, it's also healthy. Without further ado, we're going to be doing a cooking video. Woo! All right, let's get started. So right now I'm putting my oil of choice. Ooh, things just got heated. You guys just saw me process some of my onions in the food processor, so I went ahead and put that into the hot oil. I'm also going right now to add in some minced garlic. I'm gonna stir that. I like using these two things whenever I'm starting any sauce. Now I'm going ahead to add in the bell peppers that I also processed. And the next ingredient you're going to see right now, some people will tell you that as soon as you put that ingredient in there, it's no longer Efo Riro, but I like to put just a little bit of tomatoes because it gives it a sweetness that I enjoy. And I've never had any complaints, trust me, everyone loves my Efo Riro. So the next thing I'm going to add is some crayfish. Yes, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some more because better soup na money kill them. Or better do overlookpa. So now I'm going to go ahead and let that simmer in. And the next ingredient you're going to be seeing is me putting in some smoked catfish. Yes, baby. This is so good. You can't have any kind of Efo Riro without something smoked in it. It gives it a flavor that is so yummy. So if you don't like meat, you can use smoked fish. And if you don't eat fish, I don't know what to say. You need those ingredients for you to have the authenticity, you know? Now I'm going ahead to add some smoked turkey. We're just taking it a step higher because smoked turkey is excellent for like these type of soups. For egusi, Efo Riro, those who know. And so I let that simmer with it, and right now I'm going to be adding in my cooked tripe. So you're free to use any choice of fish or meat that you like. I forgot to mention that I made this Efo Riro for a friend of mine. It was her birthday party and this was what she requested. In future videos I will show you many varieties of Efo Riro, so just stay tuned. You want to go ahead and put in all of your meats before you put in your bouillon. I like to use Nor bouillon and also salt to taste, but you can use Maggi or Nor cubes, anything that you like to season your food with. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in kale. I love to use kale because it has medium crunchiness, and then I like spinach for the leafy greens. In future videos I'll break down all the greens you can use for soups and why I use the ones I use. So this wraps up the video. Come on guys, just take a look at this goodness. No, come on, come on, come on. I know you see what I'm seeing, right? You're free to add in more greens if you prefer. I decided to stop here because she wanted it a little bit more soupy so her guests can eat it with fufu or swallow. Finito. Shikeina. Okbari. Wabami Joan. Ebadon Jayo. Stick around and watch the recipe for next week. Come on. Oh my God, that looks so good. Can you guess what soup that is? Anyways, I've got a major announcement, and that is that I'm going to be starting a Cook With Me series. Yay, yes, you can get a chance to cook with me every Saturday. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram at Ruths Gifted Hands, and between now and every Wednesday I will have the ingredient list up, and so you will have it to follow for the next week's video. Who doesn't like a cooking video? I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends and your family, and most importantly, subscribe so you can get more of these videos. I love you as always. Stay safe. Mwah. Catch up on videos.